Engine warming up. Warp drive is ready. Life support is green. Engineering, how are we doing?
We have code blue, everything is good. We're ready to launch.
Weapons?
Weapons are online, blasters are operational.
Liftoff in 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Engineering is offline, nothing is working, the flux capacitor is malfunctioning. Abort, 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 abort.
I'm giving everything we've got, they're coming in too fast. All the weapons are working really well, though.
We're out of fuel. Are we out of fuel? We've got to check the engines.
Save the engine, get the cat cage.
Take control.
Oh, God. Finally get to the engine. That's it.
Save the ship. Oh, God.
Where is the engine?
Oh, we saw those kids' spacesuits!
I swear the engine was right here.
We have to fix the engine! What? We have to fix the engines! Wait a minute! Who's behind the ship?
Go, click. Okay, Taylor, you fix the engine. I've got to build a barricade.
Guys, where are the engines? I can't find them! All I see is more spacesuits! There's nothing but space! And suits! There's so much! Guys! Ah!
Mandross. Looks like it's up to me now. Control weapons, engineering. Taylor never can do it right.
Come on, I trust your instincts. Hail Will Wheaton, fire the rockets. Oh, someone's got the hyperdrive. Oh God. Use bombs wisely. My God, we're being boarded. It's a trap! Gotta ring the Taylor. Taylor, come in. Come in. How's the engine looking? We've been boarded. Taylor, can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's definitely a trap. Ah! Taylor, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, crap! Space pirates. Barricade. Barricade!
Taylor! Taylor, where'd you go? Taylor!
The crew's counting on me. Fix it. Crew, counting on me. Blake, what's that? Blake, you're there. You're breaking up. Boarded. Trapped. Good God. I'm coming, man. The engine's fixed. I'll fight those chumps from the back. Don't want to hit them. I'm going into space.
Dibs on your cargo.
Tyler? JD? Will Wheaton? Anybody? Doesn't tell me the odds. Oh crap. Space pirates. Taylor, come in. Taylor, where are you? I'm here, Blake. They've made space hostages of us. Freeze, turkeys!
Oh, crap. Space pirates.
You bet your sweet cheeks we're pirates, and we're taking the cargo, baby.
Oh, Blake! Taylor, you guys alright?
Jenny, forget about us. The ship's crashing.
We can't save it?
Life support's already gone. It's cold red, man.
We've only got one option.
We're going down.
We'll steal the pirate ship.
I love you, man.
I man the weapons.
Ready man those weapons. Taylor, look useful. Gotta lift off. She's gonna blow.
Get us out of here, Blake.
Get us out of here, man. This place is about to blow. Woo!
If we're not gone in the next few seconds, we're toast.
All right, boys. Let's light this candle. Lift off in 3, 2, 1.
Like, where are we going? You better back up. We don't have enough space for liftoff.
Where we're going, we don't need space.